Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you now how to optimize your Android phone graphic driver to boost performance. Let me show you how. The very first thing we need to do is to head over to our phone settings. So I'm going to simply scroll down right here and then make sure I click on my settings right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to come to the top right here on the search right here. What you need to do is to simply type in my phone. Then you have my phone right here. Simply click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and go to fashion info. Click on fashion info. It's going to take you right here. What you need right here under build number, continue to tap it until you enter developer mode. After you have enabled developer 2 on your Android phone, next thing you need to do is come to the top right here, click on the search engine right here, and make sure you search for settings. Now, getting back to settings right here, next thing you need to do is to come to the search right here and type in developer. Then you are going to see developer options right here. Click on developer options. That's going to take you right here. Here, you need to make sure you look for graphics preferences. Here we go. We have graphics driver preferences right here. Click on that. Then take you right here. Use graphics driver preferences. Make sure you turn on this button right here. Having turned on the button, you are going to see all applications that you have on your phone. You can enable for all apps, and for you to do that, click on default right here and enable for all apps by default. Or better still, you can choose each of the apps that you want to enable graphics driver for. For instance, I can select on this and enable graphics driver for this particular app. This depends on how often you use those apps and how the app are very much heavy. Most especially if you are a gaming type, it is advisable that you always put your gaming app in a graphic driver. This will enable fast speed and boost the operational system on that particular app. It's that simple. So you can choose as many as possible app right here and assign a graphics driver dedicated to the particular app. It's that simple. And this will boost the performance of that app and overall general performance of your Android phone. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this about Android phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.